Hey friends, have you ever wondered what it would feel like to be crushed by the weight of the entire ocean? Picture this. You're descending thousands of feet into total darkness. The water is ice cold. Food is almost non-existent. The pressure is so extreme it could flatten a car in seconds. Most humans wouldn't survive even a few minutes down there. But some of the strangest and toughest creatures on Earth call this place home. Today, we're diving deep, literally, into the incredible world of deep-sea creatures and uncovering exactly how they survive the crushing high water pressure that would destroy almost anything else. If you're fascinated by weird animals, hidden ocean mysteries, or just love mind-blowing survival stories, stick around till the end, because these adaptations are absolutely wild. And if you enjoy this video, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Let's start at the beginning. Deep-sea creatures live far below the photic zone, that sunny upper layer of the ocean where sunlight can still reach and support plant life. Below that, it's complete darkness. These animals exist thousands of feet down, sometimes as deep as 25,000 feet. The challenges they face sound impossible. Almost no food, very little oxygen, freezing temperatures, total blackness, and pressure so high it should instantly crush them. Yet they thrive. How? That's what we're exploring today. They're amazing adaptations, especially the ones that let them handle the crushing pressure. The biggest threat down there is pressure. At extreme depths, it's powerful enough to collapse metal submarines. So how do these soft-bodied animals survive without being squashed flat? One of the coolest tricks is what many diving mammals like whales and seals do before they head down. They exhale nearly 90% of the air in their lungs, keeping only about 10% of the oxygen they need. Less air means fewer air pockets that can get crushed. Take the Cuvier's beaked whale, the deepest diving cetacean on the planet. This incredible animal can plunge as deep as 2,992 meters. That's almost 3 kilometers straight down. And it can hold its breath for a record-breaking 2 hours and 18 minutes. Elephant seals aren't far behind. They can stay underwater for up to 2 hours. Just imagine holding your breath that long while dealing with crushing pressure. These animals are true champions of the deep. Now, here's where it gets even more fascinating. When these divers go really deep, their lungs actually collapse on purpose. All the remaining gas gets forced out into the bloodstream and muscles where it dissolves safely. This clever move prevents their lungs from being damaged by the pressure. Their bodies are specially adapted too. Muscles packed with myoglobin and blood rich in hemoglobin act like built-in oxygen storage tanks. So even with collapsed lungs, they still have enough oxygen for the long journey. But they don't just rely on oxygen storage. They also dramatically slow everything down to save energy. In some creatures, the heart rate drops to as low as 4 beats per minute. Some even temporarily stop breathing during the deepest parts of the dive. They reduce their movement and glide gracefully instead of swimming hard. Gliding uses almost no muscle power, which means they save precious oxygen for the trip back up. Even their internal organs take a break. Digestion, liver, and kidney functions are basically shut down during these deep dives. It's like their whole body switches to extreme energy-saving mode. Smart, right? Not all deep-sea creatures are mammals that dive and come back up. Many fish and other animals live permanently in the deep. For them, another brilliant adaptation is the lung-like swim bladder. These special bladders help control buoyancy without collapsing. Why? Because the gas inside the bladder adjusts to match the pressure of the surrounding water. So the inside pressure equals the outside pressure. No crushing, no problem. Here's another secret weapon that many deep-sea fish have, a chemical called trimethylamine oxide, or TMAO for short. TMAO acts like a protective shield for their proteins and other vital molecules. Under intense pressure without TMAO, those molecules would get distorted and stop working. Thanks to this compound, their bodies stay stable even when the pressure is trying to tear them apart at the molecular level. And one more brilliant safety feature. Deep-sea creatures generally don't absorb nitrogen the way we do when we scuba dive. This prevents nitrogen narcosis, that dangerous, drunk feeling. And decompression sickness, also known as the bends, when they move between different depths. So let's quickly recap these incredible adaptations that let deep-sea creatures survive the high water pressure. They exhale most of their air before diving. Their lungs can safely collapse. They store extra oxygen in muscles and blood. They dramatically lower heart rate and movement. They put non-essential body functions on pause. They use special swim bladders that resist collapse. They rely on TMAO to protect their proteins. They avoid nitrogen absorption problems. All of these together make it possible for animals like the fangtooth fish, vampire squid, Dumbo octopus, giant tube worms, and many others to live comfortably where no human could survive without heavy technology. It's truly mind-blowing how perfectly these creatures are adapted to one of the harshest environments on our planet. Which of these adaptations surprised you the most? Was it the collapsing lungs, the super slow heart rate, or the special TMAO chemical? Let me know in the comments below. I read every comment and love hearing your thoughts. If you enjoyed learning about these deep-sea survivors and want more videos on weird ocean creatures, mysterious animals, and incredible adaptations from around the world, then do me a quick favor. Hit the like button. If this video taught you something new, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an upload. In the next video, we'll go even deeper and meet some of the strangest-looking residents of the abyss. Think red-lipped batfish, hairy frogfish, and the mysterious zombie worms. You won't want to miss it. Thanks so much for watching all the way to the end. You're awesome. Stay curious about our incredible planet, and I'll see you in the next deep dive. Take care.